I will start afresh. Let me cancel this. So 𝐬𝐜.app is a website. Now let me tell you something. Look at the spelling. Let me put it in the group. When you get to, there's another one that is just one M. That is the wrong one. The right one uses cancel this. 𝐬𝐜.app. So whatever you have seen your comments in the group, it says, I believe both apps are very similar. Now, if I put the link to this tool, 𝐬𝐜.app, right there in the group, sometimes if you check Gamma AI online, you see the one that has one M. That is the wrong one. This one has double M. So you open, if you are new to the tool, you are going to create an account, right? And then just answer all the questions. I've passed through all the stages and all of that. And come to create new. Look at create. Click on it. And then come to generate. Click on continue. Now, what do you want to generate? There's a lot of things you can generate. Right? For tonight, we want to generate what we call a PID, a project initiation document. A project what? Initiation document. So I will tell it. I will describe my idea. Generate me. Now, this one also has its own reasoning. It's also an AI tool, a generative AI as well. So when you type what you are typing, it's also going to bring its own ideas and reasoning. And I will show you the beautiful aspect of it is that you can edit that reasoning to suit what you need. So I will say, generate me a project initiation documents PID for my learning management system. Now, this one is not like what we did on the one at when you were ideating, right? This is a productivity tool. So you do not come here and tell it to give you an idea. You see what we did on ChatGPT. That one is peculiar to ChatGPT because it is an ideation tool. But here, you bring your idea into it. For my learning management system, LMS. Create me a PID to build a learning management system for 𝐀𝐈. And 𝐀𝐈 is what? And EdTech community or training wing of my So what are the features of create me a project initiation document to build a learning management system for 𝐀𝐈 and EdTech training wing of my startup, right? Now, what do you want your LMS to have? I'm just showing you all this so that when you want to do your own, like I said, this is a productivity tool, so you bring your idea. It is not enough to allow the AI to override itself by giving you ideas. You bring your original ideas, how you want your tool to be into this tool. So you are like, How do you want your LMS to be? So you should. So I'm typing software development. Cybersecurity. How do you spell it? Secure. Designs. So I don't just want to write DDS because it's getting more official. So I have to write in full. So are we just partnering with Google Career Certificates? That is the name. Google Career Certificate, Divine Design Studios, Infrastructure Masons. Google Developers. So let's stop there. And I will generate. Now look at this. When you are using Gamma, it is going to give you what is called preview of what it is going to do, right? Previews of what it's going to do. So you can edit. Project initiation, 𝐀𝐈 LMS development, project title, clients. Okay, July. This date is wrong. So let me say, I'm presenting this on Saturday, which is 31st. So it is March 31st. So this is getting very tiny. I don't know if someone can still see it. Project manager. I will write my name. So it has not gone ahead to generate, but it gives you a preview of what it's going to do, like the outlines. You can see here outline. So you can go through it and see if it meets up what you want to do. Project overview. Scope and inclusion. Key stakeholders. Okay. Um, so I will write, so I'm still editing so that when it gets to the developing phase, it will have what to work with. Now, this is AI asking you a lot of questions about project deliverables. Core LM is training you to admin dashboard with core functionalities, course contents, reporting analytics, user training system, project timelines, requirements gathering, system design. I'm going to edit this risks and assumption constraints. Now I'm going to reduce the timeline because I'm using AI. Okay, I was taking time to. So I will put a budget of, let's say, $500. So I've done editing my outline, and I will click on. Now after that, look at this. You can choose the color. So this is what I will do. I will choose colors that are a little bit consistent with 𝐂𝐈 color brand, which is lemon. So I will click on this. That lot and lot and lot of color. I will just go for this, which is, so I will select this one. I will go to detailed. I want it to be very detailed. Now this one is like, which large language models do you want to be generating the image? So I will just stick to the normal one here. And I'll click on generate. Now, if you have been using Gamma before now, what happens is that you may lose some of your generating credits. And when that happens, they will want you to subscribe to the Plus version or the Pro version. However, as a sharp Nigerian, there's always a way out. Can somebody tell me? Let me know who is sharp in the comment section. People like free things. See us on the clap.
You create another email.
FBI should be looking for you. If you know that thing before now, FBI should be looking for you. Or EFCC. It says you refer others. No, not for this one. This one, you can create like 17 emails. Multiple emails. So don't tell this thing to Google. Don't even tell to Mr. Lama. I hope he's not here. He's a sharp Nigerian guy. Very good. Because I'm wondering, why would somebody carry money and go and give people that already have money? Some people used to pay for, although me, I pay for some purposes. For the purpose of recording calls, I see we are live streaming on YouTube. I subscribe my Google Workspace because we are a company. But if it was for personal use, who dash monkey banana? All right. Now I have generated my, I'm going to show you how to export this and get it into your device. In fact, because I love you so much, I'm even going to show you how to cancel the watermarks, the Gamma watermark, so that they will say, they will not know you use Gamma. You know, some people have been using it, and when they send it, they will say made with Gamma. You've been seeing it. Today we will demystify that. Now you can take time and go through your documents again. This document outlines the initiation of the 𝐀𝐈 Learning Management System project, spearheaded by 𝐈 𝐂𝐻 EduTech Division, dated this day, and so on and so forth. Now look at the key objectives. As it is on this page, you can edit it as you want. For example, this one says made by 𝐈 AI. I will remove it. You can edit it as you want. Project overview. Purpose: to develop a centralized LMS platform for 𝐀𝐈 training programs. Key objectives: enhanced training. You can take time and read and read and read if it meets your needs. You can remove this picture and put your real photo if you have a photo of your workspace or your other AI generated photos. For example, look at what I would do. I'm going to click on this. edit image. So it says diverse team of professionals. So I will now say diverse teams of young Black professionals collaborating in modern office, bright open on slick software analytics PC. And I'll go ahead and generate. Now, if you now see this one, it has given me some options. I don't think this first one really makes sense. Let me look at the second one. These ones really resemble people who resemble us. Okay, let me allow you guys to choose. Look at this one. Okay, let's allow this. Project deliverables. So because I'll be using AI to do what I want to do, I just give it 3 weeks. However, it's going to be 2 weeks. So we are going to do this hackathon real. So by Saturday, everyone will submit their PID like this. And when we use tomorrow and next, Wednesday, Thursday, to improve our image and video advanced prompting. So we tidy up on Friday. On Saturday, you are going to present your PID on your idea. And we have the whole of next week to keep working on it and make it as great as it should be. And probably after a week or two, you should develop that your idea to a certain level that what we call an MVP, a minimum viable product. You should have an MVP to show after 2 weeks. Use all the AI tools you can. Raise your hand and we will host a pitch deck, a virtual pitch deck, bringing as much people as we can to come see what you do. And the ones that are viable, we can run with it. So having gone through, now this thing remains here. If I have the time, I can come back and edit it, but I want to download it into my computer. So you click on exports. Look at it here. Look at export. If you're using your phone or a smaller screen, I have made my screen tiny, so it's here. Export. Export to PDF. You can export it as a PowerPoint. I will try both, but let me export as PDF. You're simply downloading it into your device. And I will also export as PowerPoint. I can see that you can export as a Google Doc as well. So let me wait for the PowerPoint to finish and I will see if I can edit with the PowerPoint. So it has exported. I'll go back and share my entire screen so that when I will share my entire screen.